Hello guys. So what I'm going to do today, I'm going to fix the bumper of the car on the front that is damaged. Now to do this one, an example, because it's bubbled up, So what you do with the heater, with the fan, and then you heat it up, and you put that bubble inside, and then once you put that thing inside, then you fill it up this gap with something, anything like a sponge, an example, something to be behind it, And then we're gonna fill it up this one with the fiberglass. So that's how it is now, and I'm going to work on it. I have to put this bubble inside. Once I put the bubble inside, I'm going to put the fiberglass on top. I may apply like 2 times, maybe 3 times, and then I have to sand it nice, but it will look better than is right now. Okay, thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Maybe I find something else, some other videos, and like and subscribe for the next video. Hello.